Welcomes all of you from my BD teaching channel. Today we will learn English grammar basic sentence structure, subject plus verb plus object, subject plus verb plus adjective, subject plus verb plus noun. So you will watch this video from starting to ending, then we can easily understand all the basic sentence structure and also like, share, subscribe channel. Here we will learn about basic sentence structure, English grammar, basic sentence patterns. Number 1, subject plus verb. Number 2, subject plus verb plus object. Number 3, subject plus verb plus adjective. Number 4, subject plus verb plus adverb. Number 5, subject plus verb plus noun. 5 pattern for basic sentence structure. So we will give some example for these parts of a sentence. First, what is subject? The person or thing that does something. For example, she likes cats. Here, she is the subject. What is verb? A word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. For example, she likes cats. Here, likes verb. What is object? A person or thing that receives the action of a verb. For example, she likes cats. Here, object is cats. So, subject, verb, object are parts of a sentence. In basic sentence structure, sentence pattern number 1, subject plus verb. For example, Hari plays. Here, subject is Hari, verb is plays. Similarly, I eat, subject I, verb eat. We read, subject we, verb read. They laugh, subject they, verb laugh. These are first patterns of a sentence. Different examples. Here second pattern is subject plus verb plus object. For example, I like X. Here I subject, like verb, X object. Subject plus verb plus object. Second example is she sees her sister. Here subject is she, verb sees, object her sister. Similarly, third example is he is reading a book. Here subject he, verb is reading, object a book. So pattern is subject plus verb plus object. Your third pattern is for basic sentence structure, subject plus verb plus adjective. For example, number 1 example, Laura is busy. Here Laura subject is verb, busy adjective. Similarly, second example is he is smart. Here subject he, verb is, smart adjective. Similarly, third example, the flowers are red. Here the flowers subject are verb, red of adjective. Here fourth pattern for basic sentence structure, subject plus verb plus adverb. For example, Sarah is here. Here Sarah subject is verb, here adverb. Similarly, second, Jeff ran slowly. Here Jeff is subject, ran verb, slowly adverb. Similarly, third example is people are everywhere. Here people subject are verb, everywhere adverb. So pattern is subject plus verb plus adverb. Here pattern number 5 is subject plus verb plus noun for basic sentence structure. For example, she is my friend. Here she subject is verb, my friend noun. Second is they are teachers. Here they subject are verb, teachers noun. He is a doctor. Here he subject is verb, a doctor noun. So here pattern is subject plus verb plus noun for basic sentence structure. We discussed about basic sentence structure for 5 sentence pattern. Number 1, subject plus verb. Number 2, subject plus verb plus object. Number 3, subject plus verb plus adjective. Number 4, subject plus verb plus adverb. Number 5, subject plus verb plus noun. You will watch this video from starting to ending. I hope that we must remember all five patterns of sentence structure for basic sentence structure.